In a world that moves too fast, there's one place where time slows down, a mother's arms.
What's my favorite part about babies? So if you put your hands up like this, there is so much space between your head and your hands. But if babies...
How cute is that? A tiny boy floating with the courage of a little fish.
At this age comes with so many benefits. It helps strengthen their neck, back, and core muscles.
Enjoying durian with the family on the beach. Cooking with mom, but she's acting like she doesn't even need her. Mom's just there like, okay boss, carry on.
Трішки. Ой-ой-ой, це дуже багато. Ага, молодець. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
Треба почекати.
Скільки треба почекати?
Багато.
Скільки?
5 хвилин. 5.
Скайла, ти хочеш скуштувати кекс, який ти зробила?